Those of us who practiced with Bruce realized that he was a lot smarter than the rest of us. He'd gone both to medical school and dental school before finishing a plastic surgery residency and fellowship.
He had to have multiple fellowships. He did fellowships in plastics and in hand and in dental. We were really expecting him to be getting an MBA at some point in the future or going for his law degree.
Oh, Bruce was very passionate about what he did in life. He lived life very fully in all aspects of it.
He was very well trained. He was a very, very smart physician. Along with being smart, he was conscientious and caring with his patients. And again, anybody would say you could always call Bruce, you could count on Bruce to come help you with a difficult patient.
When I found out that we had lost a good friend and a colleague, one of my very best friends, that day I actually called Dr. Steve Miles, and the two of us talked about what we needed to do to honor Bruce and all the things that we lost when we lost Bruce and all the things that we had when Bruce was here.
Bruce is the one that championed the idea that the first hospital in Greece was built on a hill, not as a hospital but a center of learning and teaching. He always had this community-minded idea that Halifax Health was going to be that center of teaching in this community. And
we knew that it was really important that the surgical residency, the idea that he'd had years earlier, needed to be put into reality. And I think all along everybody knew that that was the only thing that could or should happen, that this surgical residency would be in Bruce's honor and that it would be the Bruce Kennedy legacy.
Lesa and Ben stepped in, helped us complete that process. We all know that Ben didn't get to see Bruce as a doctor like we did. He saw him as a father, but he didn't get to see his dad as a doctor. And we hope when it's all said and done that Bruce will look back and Ben will look back and realize this was the absolute right thing to do.
This is just a great opportunity for the residency to have a great deal of meaning behind it that down the road I hope people don't forget, and we're going to do everything we can to make sure that the origin of it is not forgotten. He had an unimaginable passion for education, and I am so excited that this residency will bear his name because of his passion for that.
We're proud to say that we're going to not only maintain the excellent health care that we have here, but we're going to improve upon it and make it sustainable so that we're always training new physicians.
I think we'll all look back on it as a sense of a tremendous accomplishment of Bruce's, because really I think he laid he germinated the seed in this hospital to start residency programs.
After Bruce died, it became obvious to us that we really wanted a legacy for him that far outlived him and memorialized his memory in a way that would truly honor him. And this residency, the way it's been set up, the way it's being manifested with Dr. Fabian and the current residents, is truly, I think, that memorial for him. I think he'd be thrilled with it. I'm just very sorry that he's not here to see it, and I hope he's enjoying it where he is.